Good afternoon, Mr. Ziddy. Do I have your name correctly?
DJ Skinny.
Okay, it's DJ Skinny. Alright. So DJ Skinny, you know what we have to do? A few questioning first before we can go any further. So
I don't have the time for that boy, but I do some work.
no DJ man, I can't go start a record, brother. Come back man. Remember man, I have to ask you a few questions first before you can go work. You see, come sit down man. So alright.
Me know you like today, no God.
No DJ man, just some simple question, brother. Just some simple walkover questions. So alright. So first thing, can you drive?
Nah, man, me alright, brother.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Let me just get that down. DJ ride. Yeah, man. So I hope you don't feel on the job in a DJ.
Nah, man, me not feel, man. Me not feel.
Okay, DJ. So we soon finish up. You know? We soon finish up. So just tell me a little. Do you have a license bike? Tell me about your bike.
My bike, it's my bike, no my bike load, you know. Because my bike not in my ears, you know. You see it load? I ride it on the street.
Yeah.
Because I saw me ride my bike still, you see me?
Okay, so you have a load bike. Okay. So alright. So how often you ride your bike though?
Every single day.
You have a good bike, man. You ride every day. I mean, you have a good bike then, DJ. So alright, tell you what. Early tomorrow. Yeah, I go start work tomorrow. Early. So here what? See you tomorrow. Hold on, before you go, you know. I think we have a staff party, you know. Later, you know. You can't just a couple minutes from now, you can't just stay back, man.
One thing me I tell you, I'm my yard me I go.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know. That's the end of the video, you see it. So here people. As me saying, if you like what me I do, you know, just do the right thing, man. Just press the like button. You see it? Press the like button, man, and just let me know. Walk one in the comment section followed by the subscription. You see, pray, you see me, Jeff Dan say that, you know, man, you see me. Remember, Jeff Dan TV, the right thing. Out.